This kingfisher is not playing with its food. It's tenderizing its lunch that's a freshly caught fish, and it's getting the beatdown of a lifetime. But why is it being so brutal? Kingfishers have to swallow their prey whole, and this fish is still alive, wriggling, and full of sharp fins. These high-speed smacks do two things. First, they instantly kill the prey. Second, they break its bones and flatten any spiky fins, making it much easier to swallow headfirst. A brutal but brilliant way to guarantee a safe meal.